Yongsewa, MD, Toyota, Tusho, India, Mr. Masaru Akeshi, MD, MSTI, Mr. Rahul Bharti, ED, Corporate Affairs, all respectable dignitaries, dear friends, and my friends from media. It is really a great pleasure for me that today I got opportunity to see the actual functioning of scrapping unit. Actually, Indian automobile sector is very important sector in India. This sector is giving maximum employment potential, and this sector is giving maximum revenue to the state and central government. Today, the all prestigious brands in the whole world, they are all present in India. And because of this scrapping policy, first of all, ecology and environment is very, very important, because the old vehicles creating lot of pollution, and we are all facing the problem because of health problem, because of the air pollution. Particularly in Delhi, pollution is a big problem for all the society. And this is exactly one of the important solutions where we can reduce the pollution. But at the same time, for the economy also it is equally important. And I am confident that by this scrapping policy, our automobile industry will be more competitive in international market. Because of scrapping, we will get all the raw materials, the aluminum, copper, steel, plastic, rubber, everything with a lower cost, by which we can reduce the production cost and we will be more competitive in international market. Presently, our turnover of our automobile sector is 7.5 lakh crores, out of which 3 lakh crore export is there. And as a transport minister, related with the automobile, my aim is to make Indian industry to the volume of 15 lakh crore within 5 years. And for that reason, we are encouraging ethanol, flex engines, then we are encouraging electric, CNG, LNG, and green hydrogen fuel. And I am really happy that lot of people in India also doing excellent research. In particularly the battery chemistry, we have a lot of new invention and research for sodium ion, zinc ion, aluminum ion, by which 100% in due course of time will be more competitive. As far as green hydrogen is concerned, everywhere there is a good atmosphere, and government has already established the mission for that and supporting to industry for starting the manufacturing of green hydrogen in India. 100% the pollution and economy, both are important chapters for the country. But what my feeling is, our commitment of Honorable Prime Minister at COP26, that net zero emission by 2070 is very, very important. This is a very, very historical statement from Honorable Prime Minister. At the same time, in our ministry, we have taken a decision, and that was a historical decision, that historic jump from BS4 to BS6 emission norms. And really, I am very much happy, and I am giving my special thanks to the MD of Maruti, Suzuki, and all automobile sector for giving cooperation to make BS6 emission norms successfully. I am 100% confident that this scrappage policy is also going to be useful for making, as per the pollution problem which we are facing, I am confident that this is one of the solutions for that. Today, our economy is the fastest growing economy. We are giving lot of benefit to particularly the automobile manufacturer, and at the same time, we are giving support to the consumers also for scrapping their vehicles which are old. The 15 years old vehicle that creating pollution, one vehicle equal to new modern vehicle, 15 vehicle pollution. So exactly I feel that this is very important for the country now, that for as ecology and environment is concerned, 100% this is very important for the country. One of the important things for the automobile sector is this scrapping policy is going to boost in automobile sales. We are expecting that there will be 10 to 12% more sale because of scrapping policy, and that is a win-win situation for all the stakeholders. This scrapping is going to create more jobs, at least 2 lakh jobs directly and indirectly. We are expecting, and at the same time, the availability of low-cost raw material like steel, copper, aluminium, rubber, plastic, 100% it is going to reduce the production cost. The reduced import cost and so vehicle manufacturing cost also. Presently in Indian scenario, we are importing aluminium, copper, many things from abroad. And because of this scrapping policy now, this all material will be available. And at the same time, there is a potential to reduce the raw material cost by 33%. Generate incremental GST revenue on vehicle sales approximately 30,000 rupees to 30,000 crore to 40,000 crore for the government. That is also benefit to the government also. The fresh investment worth over 10,000 crore in automated fitness centers and scrapping centers we are expecting. Now our idea is we should have at least 3 to 4 scrapping center in every district. Some of the districts which are already developed, there will be 4, and the economically backward districts, at least the 2 centers, they can create new employment to that area. I feel that this is a win-win situation for all the stakeholders. It isn't going to solve the global shortage of semiconductor chip shortage. Presently, the industry is facing the crucial problem because of shortage of semiconductor. And the semiconductor chip equally very, very important. Today, I feel that this scrappage policy and the scrappage manufacturing unit going to resolve lot of problems which the industry is facing. The important link in creating a circular economy, that is waste to wealth for India, is very important. I am always telling to the people that 2 important philosophy. One is waste to wealth. No one is waste. It is dependent upon the technology and the vision of the leadership that you can convert waste into wealth. And the other important philosophy is the knowledge as a power and conversion of knowledge into wealth. The innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skill, and successful practices, we name it as a knowledge, and conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future. I am really happy that this scrapping policy and starting of this unit is 100% a very, very important and historical era in the history of automobile industry. Probably this is the second unit which is started, and I am confident in due course of time, within 2 years, 100%, 200, 300 units will be there. And there are good response from the people, from the stakeholders. Our Prime Minister is always insisting for Atmanirbhar Bharat. We need to increase more export and we need to reduce more imports. At the same time, ecology and environment point of view, presently our import of fossil fuel is 8 lakh crores. And after 5 years, it will go up to 25 lakh crores. So idea is where we are working constantly on diversification of agriculture towards energy and power sector. And where we need cooperation from the automobile industry, particularly for the flex engine, where because of flex engine, already it is established in USA, Brazil and Canada, where they are using 100% petrol or 100% ethanol. The bioethanol is a source from sugarcane juice and molasses, and now government is giving permission to make bioethanol from rice, corn and food grains. So it can be a great future for our agriculture and rural and tribal and backward area of the country. There is a great opportunity for that. So because of flex engine technology, now government has taken decision to open ethanol pumps just like petrol and diesel pump. So it is really a win-win situation for everybody. We have to protect ecology and environment. We have to reduce the air pollution. And at the same time, we have to strengthen our economy to make the mission of our Honorable Prime Minister to make India Atmanirbhar Bharat. Today, I am really happy that today it is a starting of new era in the history of automobile industry. I am giving my special thanks to Maruti Suzuki and Toyotsu both, because they have taken the initiative, and 100% this is the very important. I am also confident that in case of e-vehicle, in case of hydrogen vehicle, green hydrogen vehicle, in case of CNG, LNG, everywhere the response of automobile industry is very good. Government is with you. Again, I will request you, in this scrapping unit also, if you feel any problem, any change in the policy where it can be more easy for you to implement all the policy, whatever the suggestion you have, please give it to me. 100% positively we will support you. Government is 100% supporting you. We will encourage automobile scrapping units in the country, and 100% as per as the commitment from Honorable Prime Minister for ecology and environment regarding the air pollution problem, 100% this is equally important. At the same time, the economy, here it is also equally important. I am really happy that this is a good start, and today, first time I got opportunity to see the scrapping unit. Up till now only I was in policy making, but that was on the paper. The first time you give me the opportunity to see the unit, that is also a good opportunity for me to learn how the process is going on. I am really happy that one of the things is very, very important, that you are using 95% of the material, recycling the material. And the other important part which I am giving special thanks to you, that 90% of the machinery is from the Indian manufacturer. 100%. So 100% machinery is from the Indian manufacturer. That is really a great thing as far as our mission of Atmanirbhar Bharat. I am giving my thanks to all stakeholders, and particularly the management of Maruti Suzuki, for 100% they will get good success. I am wishing them good success for this project. It's a start, and I am confident after that they will open hundreds of units, because the raw material which they will get 33% with the reduced cost, that can be a great strength for the manufacturing industry to get material easily available with the low cost. I am giving my all best wishes to all stakeholders. Once again, I am giving my special thanks to our Honorable Ambassador from Japan, Mr. Suzuki. At the same time, I am giving my all wishes to Honorable Prime Minister, new Prime Minister of Japan. And India has got opportunity in many sectors. Japan is our good friend. We have a lot of collaboration as far as the technology is concerned. And I will request you, Honorable Ambassador, regarding green hydrogen also. I feel that your cooperation and your technology is very, very important. We will cooperate you, we will make joint ventures, and we will encourage you for the technology. Our relationship is really a very, very good friendship, and it is really a win-win for both the countries. I am giving my special best wishes to Honorable Prime Minister of Japan, and giving my special wishes to all the stakeholders here who are present. And at the same time, I will request the media people to take this message with the details, because there is a lot of confusion in the mind of the people about the manufacturing, scrapping, what is the use. There are a lot of things are there. So you can take the information and give with your special program, make it education of the people by which they can understand the importance of this policy. My all best wishes to all of you. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Honorable Minister, we are encouraged, we are elated, we are inspired. So many thoughts, all so valuable. First, of course, we are very happy that you give so much importance to the auto sector because of the employment and the revenues and the exports that we create. And we are also very happy that you've given us a target of growth of doubling within the next 5 years, from 7.5 lakh crores to 15 lakh crores. We are also thankful to you for listing out all the options, all the technologies that go for decarbonization, for achieving net zero. As you rightly mentioned, electrification, ethanol, flex fuel, CNG, LNG, HCNG, and of course green hydrogen. And we assure you we'll keep coming back to you with all these technology and their details. So we are extremely thankful to you. And of course the message on ecology and environment and economy together. Now may I request our MD, Maruti Suzuki Kenichi Ayukawa-san, to felicitate the Honorable Minister with a shawl.